Greetings, and a warm welcome to Mindful Mates, where paths to love are rediscovered and hearts find their way home. In today's special feature, From Breakup to Makeup, the ultimate plan to re-attract your ex, we're diving deep into a treasure trove of wisdom and effective strategies that have rekindled love against all odds. Hold tight as we prepare to unfold a secret so transformative, it has the power to rewrite your love narrative. Plus, a unique opportunity awaits to further unlock the mysteries of love's second chance. Embark with us on this heartfelt expedition to turn heartache into a story of love's triumphant return. Embarking on our journey, the cornerstone of reconciliation lies within self-reflection. Delve into the essence of introspection, unraveling the reasons behind the separation. It's a transformative process of inner exploration, where you identify areas for growth and celebrate your inherent strengths. Take Anna's journey, for instance. In her solitude, she reconnected with her long-lost love for painting, channeling her emotions into vibrant canvases. This period of self-discovery wasn't merely an escape, but a rebirth, cultivating a sense of peace and self-appreciation that radiated outwardly, capturing the notice of those around her, including Tom, her ex. Through Anna's story, we see that self-reflection is more than an act of introspection. It's the first step towards emerging as a partner capable of nurturing a more profound, fulfilling relationship. Progressing to our next chapter, Rebuilding Your Life, we underscore the importance of personal fulfillment and independence. Witness Sarah, who embraced the solace of nature through hiking, each step a journey towards inner clarity. Alongside her outdoor adventures, she expanded her social circle, weaving a tapestry of connections that enriched her life's narrative. This phase of personal empowerment did more than revitalize Sarah's spirit. It served as a beacon, illuminating her vibrancy and resilience. Her transformation reminded Mike, her ex, of the dynamic, engaging woman she always was. This segment illustrates that rebuilding one's life post-breakup isn't an endeavor to incite jealousy, but a bold declaration of self-sufficiency and joy, attracting not just the attention of an ex, but admiration from all quarters of life. Pause for a moment of inspiration. Discovering the path to your partner's heart? The Ex-Back Handbook is the guide you've been searching for. This comprehensive ebook, rich with in-depth strategies and heartfelt stories, serves as your roadmap to reigniting the flame of love. Unlock the secrets to a passionate reunion, all detailed within its pages. And the best part? It's available to you for free, but only for a limited time. Click the link in the description right now to claim your copy and embark on the journey to rekindle your romance. Ready for more transformative insights? Let's continue unveiling the ultimate plan to win back your ex. Advancing to our next crucial step, initiating contact. The art of reaching out with grace and respect can redefine your future together. Consider the story of Alex and Emma. A simple birthday message from Alex, filled with warmth but devoid of expectations, sparked a new beginning. Their ensuing exchange led to a casual coffee meetup, where shared laughter and reminiscing rekindled feelings thought lost. It's these genuine, considerate gestures that laid the groundwork for a renewed connection. Through Alex and Emma's journey, we learned that re-establishing contact is not about grand gestures, but about showing you care, opening the door for a dialogue that can lead to profound reconnection. Venturing into our next pivotal phase, creating new memories. This step is about crafting moments that breathe life into a renewed narrative for your relationship. Take, for example, Liam and Sophia, who discovered mutual joy in the kitchen, laughter and love mingling amidst the aroma of shared creations. Or consider Jordan and Casey, who impulsively hit the road, finding adventure and rekindled passion on the scenic routes. These fresh experiences act as milestones in a new journey, casting a bright light on possibilities ahead, far removed from the shadows of past disagreements. It's these vibrant, new memories that lay the foundation for a reimagined future together, proving that love can indeed flourish anew with the right mixture of adventure and openness. And now, we've arrived at a transformative revelation, your key to a lasting reunion. Unveiled within the Ex-Back Handbook lies the quintessential technique that has mended and strengthened countless relationships. This unparalleled strategy is not merely advice, but a profound methodology for reawakening love, meticulously compiled to guide you toward not just reclaiming the heart of your ex, but fortifying your bond for the journey ahead. Seize this opportunity to alter the course of your love story. By clicking the link in our description, you'll unlock access to this invaluable resource, setting the stage for a saga of love rediscovered. Embark on your path from breakup to makeup today, armed with the wisdom and insights that promise a brighter, shared tomorrow. The next chapter of your romance is just a click away. Don't let it wait any longer. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening path from breakup to makeup. Every love story has its challenges, but with the right approach, yours can have the happy ending it deserves. Remember, the journey to rekindling love starts with you. If you've enjoyed our guide and believe in second chances at love, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mindful Mates for more insights into nurturing your relationships. We're curious, what step are you most excited to try? Or do you have a story of reconciliation to share? Let us know in the comments below. Your journey towards love and understanding continues, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep believing in love's power to heal and unify. Your next chapter is waiting to be written, and it starts now.